Now that back to school season has ended, it is time to focus on your fall and winter product creation strategy. What do I mean by this? Well, we will take a look at the upcoming holidays and upcoming possible trends, and we will try to anticipate what will be trending or what will be very popular these upcoming months. If you create your seasonal digital products ahead of everyone, this will give you a competitive edge when people will start to search for these items. What do I mean by this? People are not searching at the moment for Thanksgiving. Well, they might search, they might start searching soon, but for sure they are not searching for Christmas items in August. So what I would do is to start planning, at least, if not creating, my items for the upcoming holiday season. Of course, a few of the upcoming holidays are sooner, and for some of them you have some extra time to create digital products. But in today's video we are going to take a look at the most important upcoming trends and upcoming holidays. I will show you the tool that I use to find these opportunities. So without any further ado, let's take a look at the items that you should start designing now. Oh, and my name is Emesha from Everything Digital, and here on this channel I talk about digital products, making money online and business finance. When you have an idea for a digital product, it is very important to validate that idea first. And by this I mean to check if there is demand on any of the platforms. Well, in this case I'm talking about Etsy. If there is any demand on Etsy for that product. For this I'm going to use Sales Samurai. They have an awesome feature. It is called the calendar. And you can see it right here. I am logged into my Sales Samurai account. And in the lower left hand corner there is a calendar icon, and we will click on that. That will bring us to this page, and here we can see that we are looking at the month of August, and we can see lots of holidays, and they are color coded. So blue is for the United States, purple for the United Kingdom, pink for Germany, and unofficial holidays are marked with green. Well, these unofficial holidays might seem silly, but they hide a very good niche shop idea or niche product ideas. So let's start exploring here. So first of all, we are looking at the August calendar, and we can see that there are no blue holidays, which means there are no major holidays in the United States, but we have some in Germany and a few bank holidays in the UK. And here are these cute unofficial holidays. Like, I can imagine creating a few digital products based on Book Lovers Day, because there are many people who love to read. I think this would be very good for print on demand and SVG files. Let's see what else. Oh, Lazy Day, that is a funny one, but I am pulling a blank on any digital product ideas. Dog Appreciation Day. The dog niche is very good on Etsy. Yes, there are some other ones, but I would not highlight them. Let's take a look at September. In September we have quite a few holidays, as you can see it right here, and we have some blue. I'm highlighting the blue because my target audience is from the United States or maybe the United Kingdom, but mostly from the States. So that's why I'm focusing on the holidays that are celebrated in the United States. So let's take a look. We have Labor Day. There are quite a few digital products that can be created for Labor Day. I'm not in this niche, so I don't want to say anything irrelevant regarding this. But what I know, that I will do a Labor Day weekend sale. And I think Etsy pushes this event also, but if they decide to create an official Etsy event for Labor Day, I will join that. Or I will set up my own sales. So that's what I plan for Labor Day. First day of Hispanic Heritage Month. Well, I'm not in this niche either, so I will not do it. But I am sure that this would be a very popular digital product. And there are also a few funny ones like Chocolate Milkshake Day, Eat an Extra Dessert Day, Teddy Bear Day. Oh, that's so cute. German's World Children's Day. If you speak German and if you target people from Germany, you can use this holiday, but you should create an item for this holiday ASAP because people already started looking for it. and you can target them with these designs. Now let's take a look at October, and in October of course we have Halloween on October 31st, and I will start designing products for Halloween very soon in the Printable Planner shop. I have a few ideas in mind. But we also have Columbus Day. Well, because I'm not from the States, I don't know what Columbus Day entails, but it can be a very fun theme for lots of digital products. And of course, the last days of the month are the most notorious, but you have to prepare for them. There is Halloween, which is celebrated in the US, UK, and Germany as well. But in Europe, we don't put as much of an accent on Halloween because we have All Saints' Day and the Reformation Day, and we tend to celebrate those rather than Halloween. Dress-up parties are getting popular amongst children, but not among adults, and we tend to celebrate the Reformation Day rather than Halloween. Okay, let's take a look at November. We have lots of colors again. In the US, we will have Veterans Day. That could be a good theme for lots of designs, especially I'm thinking SVGs or some printable cards would be good. And of course, in November we also have Thanksgiving, and I also plan to create lots of designs for Thanksgiving. And if you would like to see how I create these items, leave a comment down below, and when I create these designs I will pick up the camera and I will show it to you. And last but not least, let's take a look at December. And of course that we all know there is Christmas and New Year's Eve. I would focus at the moment on Halloween and Thanksgiving items, but starting September, beginning of October, I would heavily focus on Christmas items. So these would be the major themes that will be popular in the upcoming months. Now let's take a look at Etsy and search for a few items, and we will see what will come up, and we will try to find a few ideas that we can create. I will start with Halloween, and let's see what comes up for the Halloween keyword. And here we can see lots of t-shirts. Let's take a look. We have almost 2 million search results, which means that people already started shopping for Halloween items. Let's take a look. Yes, these are some print on demand, some printables, some SVG files, but let's take a look. But let's type in Halloween printable. This is another cool Sales Samurai feature. It will show you the search volume for that period. Well, not just the search volume, but also the score. So it is kind of a combined score. But you can see that Halloween printable has the highest score out of these keywords that came up. So we will click on that one, and we can see some baby shower game bundle that has a Halloween theme. That is a good idea in my opinion. Or some other Halloween games. This is a very good idea in my opinion. And some other printable items, some party signs. Oh, another great idea would be some cupcake toppers or cake toppers. I would not do the prints because Halloween lasts only for one day. Maybe you put out the decor 2 weeks in advance, and it's not worth the money to put out a print for only 2 weeks in a year. Yes, some cute tags. Yes, what I mean by the printables, like this one. This is a very cute one, but I would not put it up in my house for only 2 weeks. Okay, now let's take a look at Thanksgiving. Again, I would not do the prints, but let's see what other options do we have for inspiration, not copying, only inspiration. You have to put your own twist on things. Be original and don't steal other people's designs. These are some very cute stickers, I really like them. I think this one is only selling the sticker files and not the stickers themselves, because I think it's too cheap for these many stickers to be shipped to you. But some cute cards. Clip art sets are good again. But with the clip art sets, I feel like you are already late. You should have put out the clip art sets in the middle of the summer when people start to design items for the fall. But if you're lucky, you can still incorporate a few clip art sets into your shop and it will be very popular. Or it could be very popular. Some cards that are very cute. A planner. Yes, again, I mean the planner niche, so I'm doing something with planners for sure. Scavenger hunt, bingos, kids activities. So there are lots of options for Thanksgiving. And there are only 53,000 listings for the Thanksgiving printable. So I see a good niche right here. And let's see the Christmas options. I'm sure there will be lots of options. Yeah, 280,000. I thought that there would be more, but this is good for us because it means there is opportunity there. Christmas games, this is a very good one. Holiday planner. Advent calendar stickers, this is a very cute one in my opinion. Again, personally, I would not do the printed wall art, and not just because of this. And not just because the season is short, but I think that the printed wall art niche is very oversaturated, as I mentioned it in this other video, in this oversaturated niches video. And there I talk about a few other oversaturated niches that I think that you should not enter into. The link will be in the description, you can check it out there. So yes, these would be the items that I would start designing now. And as I mentioned, if you're interested, please let me know and I will record when I create these seasonal designs and I will take you step by step of my design creation. That was it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about digital products, making money online and business finance. Also, follow me on Instagram and now I have a TikTok account too, so you can follow me there. I try to be as active as I can. Thank you again and see you in the next one. Bye bye!